question, we will go through the question for integration by partial fraction. Okay, so first of all, when we are given this kind of question, right, you have to change the fraction that we have inside into a partial fraction first. So here we have 3x plus 5 divided with x plus 2 square x minus 1. So if you see here, since we have x plus 2 square, so when we want to separate them, you separate them, a equal to x plus 2, and then another one you have to put b, a is not equal to, sorry, a divided with x plus 2 plus with b divided with x plus 2 square. And then the next one, then you can use another factor, which is c divided with x minus 1. So the next step is, what you have to do is you have to multiply all of this expression with x plus 2 square x minus 1. So we will multiply all of this with x plus 2 square x minus 1. Then you're gonna get equal to 3x plus 5. So you multiply one by one, because later on we will cross. But if you already know what to do after this one, after this step, it's up to you, yeah. Okay, you can just make it shorter. For me, I will just explain one by one first. Okay, so x plus 2 square x minus 1 equal to a multiply with x plus 2 square x minus 1 divide with x plus 2 square x minus, sorry, here it is x plus 2 because we have to follow this one, okay, x plus 2, and then b x plus 2 square x minus 1 divide with x plus 2 square plus with c x plus 2 square x minus 1 divide with x minus 1. Okay, and then from here, what we have to do is we have to divide it properly, each of the factor that can be divided. So this one can divide, and then x plus 2 square, we can divide it here, and then x plus 2 square, so we can cross like this. This one also can cross. So the next step is you write it properly, which is you're gonna have 3x plus 5 equal to a x plus 2 x minus 1 plus with b x minus 1 plus with c x plus 2 square. Okay, so the next one, we have to substitute the value of x, any value that is suitable. So usually what I will do is I will take the value that can make this, at least one of the factor, become 0, so that easier for us to solve a, b and c. So if you see x plus 2, right, what is the value that is suitable to make it 0? I will choose negative 2. So substitute x equal to negative 2 inside this, then we substitute into all of this expression. 3 multiply negative 2 plus 5 equal to a multiply with negative 2 plus 2, negative 2 minus 1, plus with b negative 2 minus 1, plus with c negative 2 plus 2 square. Then 3 multiply negative 2 plus 5, you're going to get negative 1 here. And then a multiply with 0, multiply with negative 3, plus with b multiply with negative 3, plus with c multiply with 0 square. Then by right, you will left with negative 1 equal to negative 3b. Then b is equal to 1 over 3. So you get b already. Now we go to the next one. The next one, we have x minus 1. X minus 1, to make it 0, okay, then we can use x is equal to 1. Then you substitute x is equal to 1. So substitute inside 3, multiply by 1, plus with 5 equal to a, multiply 1 plus 2, multiply 1 minus 1, plus with b 1 minus 1, plus with c 1 plus 2 square. Then here you're gonna get 8 equal to a multiply by 3, multiply by 0, plus with b multiply by 0, plus with c multiply with 3 square. So you're gonna get 8 over 8 equal to 9c. So your c is equal to 8 over 9. So that is your c right now. Now we proceed to the next one. Okay, so I'll just put it this side lah. Okay, now the next value that I will substitute here is the next value of x, is to make it easier for me also to solve. I can use x is equal to 0. So you substitute x is equal to 0. Then you're gonna get 3 multiply 0 plus 5 equal to a multiply with 0 plus 2, 0 minus 1, plus with b 0 minus 1, plus with c 0 plus 2 square. And then here you substitute, you're going to get 5 equal to a multiplied by 2 minus 1 plus b minus 1 plus with c multiplied with 2 square, which you're going to get equal to 4 lah. So here you already got the value of b and also value of c, right? Then you substitute inside this also. Then you're going to get 5 equal to negative 2a minus with b plus 4c, right? Then substitute the value of b and c just now. Then you're going to get negative 2a minus with 1 over 3 plus with 4 multiplied with 8 over 9. So from here, you calculate, you're going to get 2a equal to 16 over 9. Then your a is equal to negative 8 over 9. So this is your a. So once you have all of this, right? So what you have to do is substitute inside the fraction that you got earlier. Okay, the partial fraction. So I will write in the next page lah. Okay, so from here you have 3x plus 5 divided with x plus 2 square, x minus 1 equal to a over x plus 2. A is equal to negative 8 over 9. Okay, negative 8 over 9 x plus 2. B you got 1 over 3 just now. 1 over 3x plus 2 square. And then C we have 8 over 9. So plus with 8 over 9x minus 1. So from here, in order for us to find the integration of this, integration of this fraction, then we combine, become negative 8 over 9x plus 2 plus with 1 over 3x plus 2 square plus with 8 over 9x minus 1 dx. Okay, then you can bring all the constant outside, easier for you to solve lah. Okay, x plus 2, this one plus, you can separate like this one by one. Okay, 1 over 3, 1 over x plus 2 square dx plus with 8 over 9, 1 over x minus 1 dx. So from here, if you check, right, okay, you're gonna get negative, for negative 8 integrate 1 over x plus 2, you're gonna get 8 over 9 ln x plus 2 plus with 1 over this one. When we want to integrate x plus 2 square, we have to change it into power first. Then you're gonna get x plus 2 to the power of negative 2 dx. So we will integrate after this, after this step. Then here we have 8 over 9 ln x minus 1 plus with c. Okay, the next step is, since you can see here we have 8 over 9, 8 over 9, right? So you bring 8 over 9 and factorize it. Then you're going to get 8 over 9 ln x minus 1 minus with ln x plus 2. Oh, sorry. And then plus 1 over 3 integrate x plus 2 minus to the power of negative 2. You're going to get x plus 2 to the power of negative 2 minus 1, the power. And then negative, divide with the total power, which you're going to get negative 3. Okay. Sorry, plus 1. It's not minus 1. It's not differentiation, right? It's integration. So plus 1. Then you're going to get equal to, total power is equal to negative 1. Then you divide with the total power negative 1 just now. Multiply with the differentiation of the function that is inside the bracket, x plus 2, which you're going to get equal to 1. So there is no effect at all lah. Okay, So here you're gonna get 8 over 9. Then if you see both of them are ln and ln, which is a logarithm rule which can be applied here, and then in the middle we have minus. So by right, when we want to combine them, we can change it to x minus 1 divide with x plus 2. Okay, and then we have 1 over 3. Okay, and then here we have x plus 2 to the power of negative 1 divide with negative 1. And plus with c. So I'll make it nicer, the terms, so that it is neater. Then you're gonna get equal to negative 1 over 3 1 over 3x plus 2 to the power of negative 1. Then you can bring as a denominator. So this is the final answer. Right. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.